Okay, I'm gonna start the car without, got the new carburetor on the 1972 Continental Mark IV and the electronic ignition, so I'm not going to touch the accelerator pedal. Just turn it. There, it started. Very smooth. Put it in gear. Have to really listen to hear it, but it's running, and it's not really any vibration. And let's look under the hood real quick. Everything is back together. Pretty nice for being original. Running Island Ferry fairly slow and very smooth. I do have one little issue I need to address maybe tomorrow. The little hose right here has some corrosion on it, a little heater hose, and that's going to eventually leak it. It's actually just slightly maybe wet. Got some rust on that little tube that comes down here. But there you go. And the air cleaner fits. It doesn't hit the hood. So very smooth. The exhaust. And there it is. Another job finished.